super fuel-efficient hatchback. I'm here with this 2012 Ford Focus. It has a sunroof, media center, and more. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest-rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. Have some chrome in your grille with your Ford badge right in the center with black accents in the front, and then you have these headlamps and fog lamps, of course. This has a 2-liter engine, so it's efficient. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 16-inch alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. Then looking over at your side mirrors, you have indicator lights on the sides, and you have blind spot mirrors in the corner so you can see easier into your blind spots around your vehicle to make sure you don't hit anything. Looking at these front seats, you have these black cloth seats, have some tubular stitching right there, and then I like this texturized insert in the middle as well, so super comfortable seats. Then looking over at your steering wheel, have your cruise controls, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming controls, everything right there at the touch of a button. And then looking over at your media center, you have your radio options there. You know, if you want to plug in your phone, you can. You have your phone settings as well with Bluetooth, so you can connect them using Microsoft Sync. And then, so all of your buttons are right here. You have your CD insert as well. And then down below, you have your climate controls, and they are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. Again, powered by Microsoft Sync there. You have your automatic stick, 12-volt right there, and then your 2 cup holders. And then looking into your center console, you have a USB port and an aux port. And then looking up, you have your garage door openers right there, and then controls here for your sunroof. So lots of nice light and airflow into this vehicle. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a 12-volt on the floor there, and the seats can fold down if you need some extra space in your trunk. So you can fold them down just like that. Then making your way around the side, you have a little bit of a lip spoiler right there, your LED tail lamps, SEL badging, rear window wiper, and then let's take a look into this trunk. There. So again, it's a hatchback, so that gives you a little bit of extra room back here. So you have plenty of space for all of your stuff. So this would be a great, you know, first car, college car, anything like that. Have that sunroof. And if you want to see this Ford or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.